In this video, we will show you how to log into Reading Plus. Before we begin, please make sure you have your school's site code, your own username and your password. If you don't have your login details, please ask your teacher. Now go to your web browser and type in login.readingplus.com and then select Student Login. Type in your school's site code and then your username and password. You are now ready to sit the Insight assessment. This will take 30 to 45 minutes to complete. You will need to wear headphones or go to a quiet room. During the assessment, you will read some short stories and answer some questions about them. Please take your time and answer the questions carefully. You can sit this assessment in 2 sittings. Just log off to pause the assessment. And when you log back in, it will carry on from where you left off. If you have any questions, please ask your parent or teacher.